Series of software engineering, customer relationship management. In this is about customer relationship management in CRM, finding the customers and finding the collecting the information among the way which represents the longer term relationship between the customer and villain maintenance. So customer relationship management deals with email marketing, sales call, relationship management, documentation, and follow-up on projects and email registrations. CRM involves email marketing and integration, documents, sales call, relationship management, and etc. So, role of CRM is it sends bold aspirations, that is a clear vision for the development of the relationship. It sets and executes a client relationship strategy. It creates, manages, and leads the team. Functions of CRM is acquiring and storing information, increases sales, improve quality, customer management, proper communication network. And the advantages of CRM are customers are motivated to return again and again as they receive good customer service and continue to do business. It enables an organization to create detailed profiles such as customers, likes and dislikes. It decreases the cost. It highlights the poor operational process. It increases access to a source of market and competitor information. Disadvantages of CRM are security and privacy in the cloud, limited control and flexibility, increased vulnerability. It needs an additional management to maintain. It may result in duplication of task related articles. So now let us see the design models in software engineering. The design model in software engineering represents the features of the software that helps engineers to develop it effectively, the architecture, the user interface, and the component level details. So design modeling provides a variety of different views of systems like architecture plan for home or a building, different methods like data driven, pattern driven or object oriented methods are used to constructing the design model. All these methods use set of design principles for designing a model. So data design, it represents the data objects and the interrelationship in an entity relationship diagram. Entity relationship consists of information required for each entity or data objects, as well as it shows the relationship between these objects. It shows the structure of data in terms of tables. It shows three types of relationships: one to one, one to many, and many to many. In one to one relationship, one entity is connected to another entity. In one many relationship, one entity is connected to more than one entity, and many to many relationship, one entity is connected to many entities. Now let us see the architectural design. It defines the relationship between the major structural elements of the software. It is about decomposing system into interacting components. It is expressed as a block diagram, defining an overview of the structure and the features of the components and how these components communicate with each other to share data. It defines the structure and properties of the components that are involved in the system and also the interrelationship among these components. The user interface design is it represents how the software communicates with the user, the behavior of the system. It refers to the product where user interact with controls or display of the product. For example, military vehicles, aircraft, audio equipments, computer peripherals are the areas where user interface design is implemented. UI design becomes efficient only after performing usability testing. This is done to test what works and what does not work as an expected. Only after making the repairs, the product is said to have an optimized interface. The component level design, it transforms the structural elements of the software architecture into procedural description of software components. It is a perfect way to share a large amount of data. Components needed not to be concerned with how data is managed at a central level. So that is the components need not worry about issues like backup and security of data. Thank you.